Using the mode iProcurement from Requisition Wizard, you'll be able to use your supplier catalogs. This will default information on your requisition, like the sourcing, document, line, details, supplier and supplier site, and supplier item. First, you will need to activate this profile option, connect to your Oracle instance using the login control, and then bring up a new sheet with the iProcurement mode selected from here. The layout is similar to the Oracle HTML page. To create a new requisition, you can type the data in, bring up the user form by double-clicking on any section or from the main ribbon. Select a supplier item from your supplier catalog. You can perform a partial search using the wildcard character. Most of the information is defaulted here. You just need to complete the information. Yellow fields are mandatory. The supplier item has been defaulted. When you close a user form, it performs validation. You can use the same information to create more lines on your requisition. Finally, you can default some values using the default values row. Anything you put on this row will default on the blank rows below. Hover over the column labels to see if they are optional information or mandatory information. The rest of the information will be defaulted from the catalog supplier item. When the dataset is ready, I can either validate the dataset. This won't process any row to Oracle, or validate and upload. When we choose Upload, the wizard starts with validation, and then process the records to an interface table. Finally, we need to submit the standard requisition import to move those requisitions from the interface table to the iProcurement HTML page. You can monitor the program from here, and finally, refresh the sheet to get the final status of your requisition. Requisitions have been successfully created. The number of your requisition has been put back on the sheet. You can use the download option to download this requisition. The requisition lines have been completed mostly using the catalog supplier item. So that's about it for this functionality. Thanks for watching.